Good morning, first graders. Happy Wednesday. We are halfway through our week. You got this. I'm so proud of you. I know you're working really hard at home, and I want you to know I'm thinking about you every day, and I'm so proud of all of the work that you're doing. All right, today we are going to read our story, Fireflies for Nathan. Our theme concept is We Can Do It. Our strategy continues to be to summarize, and our skill is sequence of events. All right, go ahead and read it together with me. What does it mean to summarize? In my own words, from beginning, middle, end, I tell the story to my friend. So we're going to summarize the story today once we read it. All right, today we're going to get those stretchers ready again. Here we go. First word, state. Good job. Next word, match. Awesome. Next word, trip. Great. Next word, patch. Awesome. Here we go. Next word, hat. Awesome. Here we go. Let's go ahead and take a look at those prefixes. Prefix, sound. Yep, you should have said dis. Meaning, not or apart. Prefix, sound. Should have said re. Meaning, again or back. Suffix, sound. D, t, or ed. Meaning, happened in the past. Suffix, sound, meaning, full of. All right, let's look at some examples for the prefix dis. I would have, here's dis at the beginning, and here's the word appear. I could say that Gia made her sister. Oh, should she make her sister disappear? No. Could she make something disappear in front of her sister? She totally could. So Gia could made her snack disappear. She probably did that by doing what? Yep, eating it. Here we go. Prefix. There we go with re. We've got reappear. For reappear, I could say that Declan, his room was so messy, and once he cleaned it, all of a sudden, he started to see things reappear. Toys he didn't even know where they were reappearing because he cleaned his room. All right, our suffix ed, which means it happened in the what? The past. All right, so I could say Marcos was playing with his Batman toy and it streaked across his bedroom as it was in action. So that means it happened in the past. So in the past it streaked. It went really quickly. And lastly, we have the suffix full. So we have the word helpful. And I could say that Eli was very helpful by feeding his cats at home. He helped his family out, so he was full of help. All right, let's take a look at our first word. Here we go. My turn, minute, your turn. All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and, does anybody want to move yet? I don't know about you, but I need to get some wiggles out. So I'm going to hop with each letter of minute. If you don't feel like hopping, you can just stomp your feet. Here we go. Spell minute. Nice job. My turn already. Your turn. All right, if you want to keep standing up, you can. Or if you'd rather sit back down, you can. So here we go. When we spell already, let's do it with snapping our fingers. All right, here we go. Snap and spell already. Nice job. My turn. Above. Your turn. In a robot voice, spell above. Nice job. My turn. Against. Your turn. All right, this time we're going to whisper spell the word against. Spell against. All right, next word is caught. All right, let's pretend you have a baseball glove or a softball glove on and you're going to catch a ball. You caught the ball as it flew through the air. All right, get that glove up. With every letter, I want you to catch a ball in your hand. Show me that you caught it. All right, here we go. Spell caught. Nice job. My turn. Pulls. Your turn. All right, here we go. Pretend you're pulling that rope again. Get it out in front of you. Here we go. Spell pulls. Nice job. My turn. Head. Your turn. All right, let's go ahead and gently, let's kind of massage our head today as we're doing head. Get your fingers up on your head. You can give it a little rub. Give yourself a little head massage. With each letter, spell head. Nice job. My turn. Everywhere. Your turn. All right, everywhere is a long word. It's a compound word, every and where. For everywhere, I'm going to go ahead and clap it out today. Here we go. Get those clappers ready. Spell everywhere. Nice job. All right, my turn. Gone. Your turn. All right, with this word, let's go ahead and what should we do? Tap it out on our knees? Sure, why not? Let's tap out gone on our knees. Tap out gone. Good job. All right, the next three are going to be much quicker. Word. Good job. Spell do. Word. Why? Yep. Spell your. Good job. Last word is from. Spell from. Great job. All right, we are ready to, all right, yep, we're going to go ahead and do our letter sounds review. Let's see what we can remember. Sound, 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 sound. It makes two sounds. Ooh or that's right. Sound, 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 sound. Yep, you should have done two sounds, ow or o. Sound. All right, here we go. Day 3. Wait, are we on day 3? Yeah, gosh, I'm kind of forgetting now. What video are we on? I think we are on day 3. Let's check and see. Mrs. Heald's losing track of her days. Have we done this one? Yep, we have not done this one. All right, day 3. Here we go. Here we go. Sorry, I was having a little lapse of memory. All right, here we go. Sound, sound, blend, sound, blend, word. Good job. Sound, sound. Could say ooh or right? Blend. Could be su, could be su. Sound. Blend. Yep, that word should have been soon. Sound. Sound. And AW says aw. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Good job. Lawn. Sound. Sound. The AR says R. Blend. Word. Good job. Last one. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. You should have stir. Sound. Blend. Sound. blend. So we should have stir-eek sound. That can do the d or ed. Is it streak ed, streak d, or streaked? Yep, it's streaked. Good job. Blend it together one more time. Streaked. Awesome job, first graders. You did it. We're on Wednesday, halfway there. I'm super proud of you. Hopefully I will see you today in our special Zoom meeting for joke telling. So that'll be at 10:30. All right, see you then, or talk to you then, and see you.